our leader who will be speaking, I want you to know that this year, we have a lot of fun activities for us. So whenever we say, please let the kids join Zoom, please go and tell your mommy and daddy, mommy, this year is loaded, is packed with a lot of fun activities for us. So I would like to join Zoom. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Welcome. Let's welcome Miss Deborah. Please clap your hand for Miss Deborah.
Yay!
I stop sharing, right?
Yeah,
Nice.
you can stop sharing. Thank you very much. Thank you, Bennett. I can see all the clapping emoji. Thank you very much. Welcome everyone again to this year's community meetup. Yeah, okay. The clapping is enough. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. All right, it's good to see all our faces again. It has been it's more than a month because we did December 6th last. Hope we enjoyed our Christmas break. It's clapping, I'm seeing. Okay, everybody enjoyed it. Wow, that's good. Okay. All right. So it's another community meetup again, and let me share my screen. So we're going to start with a short icebreaker. All right. So let's have it. All right, so we're welcome once again. So we're going to do something shortly before we take our student pledge. So let's share one interesting thing that you learned recently. I want us to share one interesting, just share one interesting thing in the chat that you learned recently. It doesn't have to be coding. It could be maybe you learned a new fact, or you learned a new country, you learned a new language. One interesting thing that you learned recently. Let me see. I'm going to be reading from the chat. Okay, so that is actually what's Christmas. Some people celebrated Christmas over the break. So, okay. So, okay. How GS work? Wow. How GS work? Okay, I learned how to bake red velvet cake. You learned French fully. Wow. I'm liking all this. Okay, we learned French fully. Learning English is not correct. Muzami, can you explain that?
I can explain, ma. You know how?
I'm coming back. Wait, hold on first, hold on. So Muzamil is going to share what it means by learning English is not correct. If that's a statement, or then Sarah learns how to do a soccer move, how to divide 3-digit numbers. Wow, that's good. Okay, so no spamming in the chat. If not, you are going to be sent to breakout room. I learned how to divide 3-digit number. Then Abisola learned swimming and gymnastics. Who is this spamming my chat? All right. Someone learned Spanish. Wow. Okay, Evan is going to tell us how many years it takes to travel to space. Since that's what she learned. And then how to do an area. Wow. Okay, so let's have Evan and Muzamil. Evan is going to tell us how long it takes to travel to space, and Muzamil is going to tell us how learning English is not correct. All right, Muzamil. Let's learn from your...
Because you know how tire, the word tire is spelled the exact tire, like you are tired. What is the point of that? Why T-I? Why can't you just create another word?
Oh, okay. I think I understand.
No, literally. Listen to this. You know how when you spell internet.
Okay.
I mean, when you spell rescue. If people are saying that like it's pronounced like I, why is it called risk?
Okay. All right. So
Point
I
of
think I get what you're saying. All right. So I think I get what you're saying. So maybe we'll look for an English expert that is going to be able to explain all that to us, because I'm not an English expert. I know that they have sounds and phonetics and all that. So maybe we'll look for an English expert that is going to be able to explain that to us. All right, thank you very much. And Evan, how many days does it take to get to space? You're the one that shared that, yes.
It takes 8 to 12 months to get out of Earth's orbit. And then it takes 9.5 to 12 years to get to Pluto.
Wow. 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 Yes, not even months. Yes. It's years you said, right? Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Maybe I'm going to have to start early so that I can get there as soon as possible if I want to go there. All right, thank you very much. So we're going to take so we can see that learning continues even if you're in class, even if it's not something from class. Like someone that learned how to bake, it was not from class. It's not something related to coding. So learning continues all around, and we are encouraged to keep learning every day. Don't remain the way you were yesterday. You should have learned something new today and progress. All right, so we've taken our community guidelines. So we're going to take our student pledge now, and we're having to Riola coordinate that. To Riola. And after that, if you are joining us for the first time, you are going to introduce yourself in the chat. Toriola, are you on the call?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, so over to you, student pledge.
Everybody say the pledge after me. 3, 2, 1, go. I am a Ruby School student.
I learn every day.
Every day to
Learning.
Grow with confidence and
I
intelligence.
agree with
Show kindness and
I
wisdom.
pledge
Grow
to
with
technology wisely, show kindness and
Knowledge
confidence,
maker in the
do my
future
best.
begins with
Everybody
me.
wait.
Solver, a change maker, and the future begins with me.
And the future begins with me.
All right, thank you, Toriola. So I'm going to, because I know, okay, let me stop sharing first. I know that most of us read it. Some of us were trying to finish as fast as possible. So can we just drop something you read from the pledge that you just said now? Drop it in the chat. Let me see if we truly read it, or we just move. If we truly paid attention to what we're reading, or we just, okay, someone says I learn. Oh yeah, I learn every day. The future begins with me. I learn every day. So we actually paid attention to what we're reading. All right, so that's our student play. So if you are joining us for the first time, this is your first community meetup. I know I'm seeing some new faces that I've not seen before. This is your first community meetup. You can drop your name and your chat and your age in the chat. This is the first community meetup. Drop your name and your age in the chat. I'm not seeing any name, and I'm seeing some people that I've not seen before. Tomiwa. Tomiwa, is this your first community meetup? Okay, I've seen Asha before now. Is it that we don't have any person joining us for the first time? Or side? Is this not your first time?
This is
Or
my
this is your second
third
time?
time.
10. Wow. Wow. All right. So we have second time. So everybody is welcome. So if you are presenting your project, Ayatollah Zoe, as I call your name, make sure your project is, you are opening your project. We have Ayatollah Zoe, Evan, Popola, then we have another set. We have two sets. Then we are going to have Muzamil, Osai, Iremide, and Ayotomiwa. So let's open our project now so that we don't have to wait for you. The person that said, thank God I'm not part, you are going to present next community meetup. The person that said that you are going to present in the next community meetup. So if you are presenting your project, try to put your project down so that with your slides and your project. So we are going to play, just going to do a short activity while they do that. So Ayatollah, Zoe, Upola, and Evan, open your projects why we think this. So we have 2 truths, 1 myth. Out of all of this, which one is a myth? We know what a myth is, right? Only that is not the truth. But people
No.
sometimes say it is. Okay. So we have 3 sentences on the screen, and 2 of them are truths. 2 of them are correct, and there's one that is not correct. So we are going to type in the chat which one is correct, which one is not, which one is wrong. That's what we're typing in the chat. So you have number 1, 2, 3. So which of these 3, out of these 3, which one is the wrong one there? The first statement says computers follow instruction exactly as they are written. The second one says programs can have mistakes called bugs. And the third one says computers can fix all errors by themselves. So which one is the wrong one there? Let me see. Let me see. Wow, everybody is picking 3. Who will now correct the mistake that computer makes? Who corrects the mistake computer makes? If everybody is typing 3.
Damn it.
All right, so the correct answer is 3. Computer cannot fix all errors by themselves. We are the ones programming it. I'm part of the people programming it. I'm a computer programmer. How many of us are computer programmers here? Raise your hand if you're a computer programmer. Okay. So it's not everybody that believes that they are computer programmers. Okay. All right. So let's have
Be a computer programmer in here.
okay. All right. So it's time for presentation. Let's have Zoe. I'm not sure I've seen Zoe. Is Ayatollah on the call? Ayatollah. Okay, I'm not sure she is. Zoe is not also here. All right, Evan, let's have you. Evan, you can go ahead and share your screen while Popola prepares to share after you. Okay, Evan. You're muted. Okay, I've asked you to unmute, but you might need to share your screen. We can't see your screen yet. Okay, you can see the screen now. Okay, Bennett, your reaction is okay. Thank you. So let's have a share screen so that we can see. Okay, no reactions
Can you
again.
see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen now.
No, wait. Second. Hello, my name is Heaven Jenner and I'm 10 years old. I'm in the creative stage in App Lab. The name of my project is called Calculating Game. Let's skip this bit. The SDG goal I used is SDG number 4, and I learned how to use a variable draw chart function. And what I used to create my project is called App Lab. I'm going to show you my project now. It's when you get a question in the black box, you answer it. If you know the answer, you answer it inside the white box. So as you can see, 16 plus 6.
All right, so let's see who is going to answer 16 plus 6. You can drop our answers in the chat. 16 plus 6, 20. We have 22. Somebody says 22.
Okay, 22. Submit. Then press submit.
Osai, you don't need to send your answer more than once. Bennett, if you spam, you guys know the meaning of spamming, right? Evan, sorry. Yeah, you can continue. You can continue.
If the answer was correct, it shows it's correct. Then Wait. Give it a second.
Hey, Henry, put this watch on your wrist. Sure.
Yeah.
What else would I put it on?
Sorry. Okay, back to quiz. Sure. Not going back to quiz for some second. It's going to go back to quiz and then another question is going to pop up, but then it's not going back to quiz for some reason. So yeah, that's what my project's about.
All right, so she made the calculator game. Okay, you might need to fix that. It's likely the
Yeah.
button that says when it is clicked go to another screen. Likely that block is already out of it. All right, so you need to do that. So the programming language you use is AppLab. I know some of us have used AppLab before. Yeah, so that's programming language that was used. So how long did it take you to make that project?
1 week.
1 week. And how many questions do you have?
No. It's only one about variables.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. All right. Thank you very much, Evan. Is Popo on the call? I think,
Yes.
yeah. All right. So you can go ahead and share your screen. While you wait for
Okay,
you.
I'm trying
So
to
now,
So you
so
welcome.
hold on, Popo, sorry. So we are not permitted to spam the chat. Spamming the chat, let me explain, so that when I move it to the breakout room, you will not say I moved it. Spamming the chat is like sending the same message repeatedly. When you are asked to send something in the chat, you send it once and you leave it. You don't need to send it up to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. So if I see you do that again, you're going to be moved for timeout in the breakout room. You'll be back maybe in 2 minutes. All right, before that you can go ahead.
Okay. So this is my project. My project is to create an app that you can create a user that you need to use to make a username, password, and type in your username, Gmail, and password. Yeah. So you can talk to them, then to the AI. Then after that, it gives you some. Then it gives you some questions while trying to sign you in.
Okay, so can we test it and see?
Trying to go on to.
All right, so while he's doing that, I'm going to ask a question.
Just run your code.
So I'll sign into an account, then it will ask me my username, then if you now put a space and type it in, then you now do that again, it will kick you out. And if you now choose to, then now put in.
Okay, so you need a username. Who is going to give us a username? Let's pick someone that will give us a username. You can type it in the chat. Or is our chat locked? Oh, okay. All right, so let's have a username in the chat. The first one I see is the first one I appears. Okay, we have Jake. Jake, Jake. JAK. Popola, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. You've already picked the username. I'm going to give you a username. All right. Let's have password. You can use check for the password. So let's continue with that.
Mm,
So what's the
person,
asking us for? Gmail. project@gmail.com.
mm, it entered it
Okay.
unsuccessful.
Oh,
So
okay.
you have to um,
All right. So why was it unsuccessful? What's the reason why it was unsuccessful?
I'm not too sure. Let me just let me show you. Mhm. Mm.
All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Okay.
It's an error because that's not in. Nothing like that.
All right.
Right? So
All right. So have you okay, you've not still gotten it. Okay. So you might need to oh I can still log in attempt unsuccessful. Please try again. So try this, let's see. What's a great one? Gmail.
result saved. Oh, let me just then you now do one. Then after that you now put in once you type in, then so that's one.
Okay, where are we from? Where are you from? I've already banned chats. I'm from Lagos. Okay, right, they can write Lagos. Lagos,
I'm
Nigeria.
from
Is it
the
country or
UK.
state you want?
Country not in date. Country in database.
Ah, my favorite color is black. I said black. Yeah, you're adding red for me. Why are you adding red for me?
Because to now type R, then if you
Yeah,
now
okay.
start it from the beginning again.
All right, okay. Well done. Thank you very much. So, how long did it take you to write all these codes?
It took me like 1 month.
1 month. Wow, wow, 1 month. And what programming language is that? Because some people don't actually
I
know the programming
use
language.
if statements for loops the time, then I also use else. I also use booleans, then the def, the not and in, and then I also use
All right.
import.
Okay. All right. So, well done, Popola. Well done, Evan. Evan. Yeah. Well done. So we've seen a project with AppLab. We've also seen a project with Python. So as whatever programming stage you are, there's still something that somebody else. Remember that I'm sure that in our first class we were told that we have different programming languages. So we have seen two different ones today. All right,
So I
Popola, you
can
can
also
stop
be
sharing.
asking,
Black is also his favorite color. Wow.
They changed
All right,
it
thank you
from
very
R to
much.
S.
All right, all right, all right, all right. Thank you very much. Okay, so yeah, another set of two truths, one myth. So this is about me. Well, everybody should be able to fit in. All right, so which one is the wrong one out of this? Okay. Three. Why is all my answers three? Three is false. Wow. So all of you have, oh yeah, so drop the chat, the app you have used today in the chat. What app have you used today? Somebody says two. Okay. Somebody says one. So let's see, what app have you used today? For all the people that are saying three. Who is okay, someone says Roblox. Why are we having varying answer? Technology, someone says technology can help people communicate across countries. Somebody says that's false. Was that a mistake? Someone says YouTube, an app they've used today, State of Survivor, crazy games. All right, so that was why I put that. So everybody has used an app today, whether it's Zoom, um, YouTube, Roblox, whatever app you have used, that's correct. Technology can help people communicate across countries. We are communicating, right? Right? If we are communicating, give me a thumbs up. I'm not seeing any thumbs up. Can you guys hear me like this? Okay, all right, all right. So we are communicating. So technology can help people communicate across countries. So the one that is wrong is Wi-Fi works everywhere in the world without limits. There are actually limits to your Wi-Fi. That's why some of you, when you're having class and the Wi-Fi is in another room and you're in somewhere else, sometimes your network is going to be disconnecting. All right. Then the third one. Oh, so this is going to be quite, but let's see. We have another one. Artificial intelligence uses data to make prediction. Social media platform uses algorithm to suggest content. Algorithms are always fair and unbiased. This one is going to be quite, but let's see. The older student among us should be able to get this. Ah, I'm seeing some answers that are very interesting. Everybody is saying three. I'm going to call somebody. I said do not spam the chat. Okay. I'm going to call someone to come and explain the three. Are you sure algorithms are not always fair and they are biased? But you guys write algorithms, right? You write algorithms for your app. So you are going to come and explain how the algorithm you are writing is biased. All right, so who would like to share why three or whatever answer they picked? Which one is right? Which one is correct? Who would like to share? Okay, Ashraf. Ashraf, you can go ahead and unmute yourself.
So I think that the third one is wrong because sometimes algorithms can be unfair, or unbased, because unbased means when you are doing something and then it doesn't work properly, like you're brushing your teeth. If you do it the wrong way, bad things will happen and then it won't be fair or based.
Okay, all right. All right. I think I understand the part you are coming from. So you picked three. So algorithm are always fair and unbiased. All right. So they are good. Okay. So who picked two? Let me see. Who picked number two? Let me look for someone that picked number two. Ah, okay. Anan. Anan picked number two. That number two is wrong. All right. So Anna, let's hear. Why is number two the wrong one? Anna. Why is number two the wrong one? Ah,
Because social media
I don't think
What do
they
they
have
use?
algorithms to
Oh,
suggest
okay.
content.
All right. Okay. So that's why you picked number two. All right. Okay. So who picked number one? Do we have anybody that picked number one? Oh, Bennett. So why did you pick number one?
I picked number one because
Ben,
first of all, the artificial intelligence uses I think I don't think it would be correct. Hello?
I
Wait,
can
sorry.
hear you.
Um and then the
Ah,
artificial intelligence uses data to do predictions. I just thought it was wrong. I couldn't really think of an answer. So it can't really use it to make predictions because the artificial intelligence has to have outright answers, not really predictions. It's either a
oh,
yes or no
wow.
question. It has to be correct, or fully wrong.
Wow. Okay. I think that will be a topic for a discussion one of these days. All right. So we have AI uses data to make predictions. Social media platform use algorithms to suggest content, and algorithms are always fair and unbiased. So which we have trainers on the call. Maybe we'll call a trainer to help us explain which of these is correct, which of these is incorrect. We have two truths, one myth. So which trainer would like to explain for us? Any trainer that would like to explain for us? Any tutor trainer? Should I call? Should I call? Should I call? Someone can just explain. Just tell us the right one or the wrong one. Ah, should I tell the student to pick the trainer that should talk for us?
You want to see me?
Yeah, I can see who is asking to how to see you. All right, so wow, we don't have any trainer that wants to talk for us. Wow, wow, wow. Don't worry. I'm going to send it to the RCS chat. You guys go ask your trainers in your classes which is correct, which is incorrect, so that they will talk and tell you. Maybe they are shy to talk. Don't worry. All right, but the third one is actually incorrect. AI uses data to make prediction for you to be able to for okay, we'll take it as a discussion in one of our community meetups. How AI works. So AI uses data to make prediction. You give the whatever it is, you give it data, and then based on that, it makes prediction. Social media platform uses algorithms to suggest content also, but algorithms are not always fair, and sometimes they are not always. That's the keyword there, always. All right, thank you very much. So next off, we're going to be having a celebration. We want to celebrate some people. So during the course of this month, January, we have some students that have completed a learning milestone. And what we mean by that is that they did their capstone project, they completed their project, and they presented their project to their parents, and they have moved on to the next stage. So some of them they were in Scratch, they moved to App Lab. Some of them were in App Lab, they moved to App Inventor. Some of them App Inventor to Python, or maybe level one, beginner to intermediate, intermediate to advanced, wherever it is. So we have this set of students who completed one learning milestone during the course of this month, January. So we are going to spotlight them and celebrate them. We have Evan Jonah. So if your name is here, you are going to turn on your video because you are going to be spotlighted. Yeah. So we have
Hello,
Evan
ma'am.
Jonah.
I
Okay.
also just
Please.
completed a milestone today.
All right. So we have Evan Jonah. Let me stop sharing so that we can spotlight. So
Hello,
your
ma'am.
video has to be on. Who is the Elohim Mami? Who is Elohim Mami?
Like I'm BJ's. Okay. You probably don't know who BJ is. Is Ben knows who.
Just say your name.
His
Just say your
cousin.
name.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Is it okay if he comes in? He really wanted to see, and he's my cousin. He really wanted to see what's going on. Is that okay?
Yes, yes. Your friends can, your cousins can join. No
Thank you.
problem. Yeah. All right. Okay. Ah, wait. Evan is no longer on the call. I can't see Evan. Okay, so we have Evan, we have
Heaven,
Abisola, we have Treasure.
heaven is that I think
Oh,
heaven
okay.
is sick. I think she's not here because she
Okay.
forgot about the poll. She
All
told me
right.
earlier.
Oh, okay. All right. So we have Evan, we have Abisola. So we have changed your name. That's why I'm finding it hard to look see you guys. All right, we have Evan, we have Abisola, we have Treasure, we have Muzamil. Muzamil. Muzamil, you need to turn on your video for me to spotlight you. We have Jaden, we have Jaden, we have Iremide. Iremide. Jaden, this is not your face, oh. It's your face we want to see. We have Nathan. Is Nathan on the call? Nathan isn't. I don't think I've seen him today. And we have where's she? Okay, so we have Evan, we have Abisola, we have Treasure, Muzamil, Jaden, Remide, Nathan, and Oluwatayo Fashabaruwa. So if you heard your name and I've not spotlighted you, just raise your hand. But I don't
Why am I
think so.
here? What am I meant to do again?
You're not doing anything, just stay, don't worry. Alright, so
What?
Jaden. It's Jaden that alright, so on behalf of them, we have three of them here presently. Oh, this is Abisola. Alright, I've seen her. Brilliant Abisola. Alright, so congratulations to you guys. You have moved from one level or one stage to the other. If it is beginner to intermediate or maybe
But
you
teacher,
change, you moved from one course to the other.
But teacher, I'm on
So
intermediate. I'm moving on to intermediate.
alright.
I think I have moved on to
Alright, so you are moving to intermediate. Abisola is also moving to intermediate. Iremide is moving to
I'm moving to
Yeah, I can move on to
creator.
intermediate.
I'm moving to creator.
okay. Okay, Jaden is moving to creator and Iremide is moving to alright, Iremide is
I'm still
muted.
in
So we can
creator. I am in
yeah, I know that all of you are in creators. So I think we have more creators moving this time. So congratulations to you guys and as you progress, put in more efforts, put in it's going to get more, it's no longer as simple as scratch. So put in more efforts, more commitment, and we hope to see the beautiful project you are going to be creating. For those in creators, the beautiful apps, if you are
But
moving on to, I
also,
think you made it moving to innovator. So the beautiful solutions and problem solving solutions that you are going to be creating. Muzamil, okay, Muzamil is also here. All right, so Muzamil is also moving to advanced
but
stage of creators.
teacher,
Yeah. So congratulations to you guys, and we hope that in the next 3 4 months we'll be here again to celebrate you for your progress. Congratulations once again. All right, so
but also
let me
teacher,
show.
I already do Python editor.
You what?
I already do Python editor.
Wow, okay. So we'll see when you're done with that.
I have
So
Python.
what's after creators?
When you're done with creators, don't worry, you will know what is after creators. Just take your time, but don't spend too much time. All right, so before we go to our breakout room, we still have another set of presentation, but we're going to be going to our breakout room shortly. But before we go, we are going to be having a short session of categories. Yeah. So I'm going to pick. Okay. So we're going to pick. If you have not talked today, I'm going to call you. I'm going to call you if you have not talked today. And what you are going to do, I'm going to show something on the screen, like maybe 3 household items, 3 types of food, 3 types of animals, and you're going to tell me in 5 seconds. That's what you're doing in 5 seconds. You're telling me in 5 seconds. So
Telling me which one's your favorite?
you're not telling me. I'm going to show what you are going to say on the screen. Don't worry. You are going to see it. All right, so let's start with, who should I call first? I'll start with one adventurer student. Adventurer, where is David? You are too David. All right.
I'm here.
All right. Okay. So David, you are going to tell me five. Oh, yours is five. Okay. So tell me five farm animals within
Chicken,
5 seconds.
duck, pig, horse,
Time out. All right. So you used more than 5 seconds. Yeah, I already 5 things you said. I heard it. All right. So you used more than 5 seconds.
what?
Well done. Yeah, but you mentioned the five. Well done. Well done. All right. So that's for adventure. Let me see. Who should I call for creators? Who has not talked today for creators?
Me?
Who has not talked? Who has not talked? Who has not talked? Who has not talked? Which person's voice have I not heard today?
Hello, Auntie. Good
Creator.
evening. Can you hear us?
I haven't talked.
Yes, I can.
Okay, so we have Onyeka and Odugochi here. When you were calling names, you didn't mention their names. I thought you can't see us.
Okay, no, I can see them. I saw them.
Okay, but you didn't mention their names.
Oh, okay, we're celebrating students that moved from one stage to the other.
Oh, okay. I
Yes, ma'am.
understand now.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, hold on. Carry on. So you
Thank
guys
you,
should
ma'am.
talk.
All right, so for creators, so Oyekachi, will you answer for? Oh, you're still in adventure. I'm coming. Oh, I'll give you another question. All right, so who wants to talk for creators? Let's see. I have a lot of hands up. I want someone that has not talked today.
Huh?
Is Epsiba on the call? Hello, I
Sorry, they
can
only
hear you.
started last
Whoever
week
is talking.
Saturday, so they might not. Auntie, can
All
you hear me?
right.
They said they
Yes, I
only started
can.
last week Saturday, so they might not be able to answer some questions.
All right, ma'am. No problem, ma'am.
This one.
All right, so I have, okay, Jesse, let's have you. So, Jesse, your own question, you're answering in 3 seconds. You are answering. Jesse, are you here? All right, so this is your question.
Okay.
Oh, I'm coming. No, that's not your question. Hold on. Oh, my.
What?
Hold on. Hold on. I'm going to give you a question now.
Okay. You by yourself, John.
All right, so you have 3 seconds, 3 internet websites.
Google Chrome.
Crazy Games,
Microsoft.
Google, YouTube.
Who is the other person talking? I said Jesse.
YouTube,
YouTube,
Google,
Instagram,
Crazy Games.
TikTok. Those are 3 internet websites.
Jesse, what did you say?
YouTube, internet, TikTok. I mean YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. That's what I said.
All right. Okay, so we're going to be moving to our breakout rooms now. We're going to be moving to our breakout rooms now. All right, so we're going to be solving the puzzle. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
Okay. So we're going to be solving a puzzle, and I want us to. All right. So I'm going to play a video that we are all going to watch. So it's a puzzle, but I want us all to pay attention because that's where it gives the background to the puzzle. But I'm still going to explain it. So let's have. All right.
Taking that internship in a remote mountain lab might not have been the best idea. Pulling that lever with the skull symbol just to see what it did probably wasn't so smart either. But now is not the time for regrets, because you need to get away from these mutant zombies fast.
Oh, sorry.
Because you need to get away. With you are the janitor, the lab assistant, and the old professor. You've gotten a head start, but there's only one way to safety. Across an old rope bridge spanning a massive gorge. You can dash across in a minute, while the lab assistant takes 2 minutes. The janitor is a bit slower and needs 5 minutes, and the professor takes a whole 10 minutes, holding onto the ropes every step of the way. By the professor's calculations, the zombies will catch up to you in just over 17 minutes, so you only have that much time to get everyone across and cut the ropes. Unfortunately, the bridge can only hold 2 people at a time. To make matters worse, it's so dark out that you can barely see, and the old lantern you grabbed on your way only illuminates a tiny area. Can you figure out a way to have everyone escape in time? Remember, no more than 2 people can cross the bridge together. Anyone crossing must either hold the lantern or stay right next to it, and any of you can safely wait in the dark on either side of the gorge. Most importantly, everyone must be safely across before the zombies arrive. Otherwise, the first zombie could step on the bridge while people are still on it. Finally, there are no tricks to use here. You can't swing across, use the bridge as a raft, or befriend the zombies.
All right, so that is a brief summary of what we want to go and solve in our breakout room. So we're going to be sharing it to our breakout room, and this is the summary. You have a minute, there's a janitor 2 minutes, there's a lab assistant 5 minutes, and there's an old professor 10 minutes. And you have 70 minutes before the zombies catch up. So within 70 minutes, you are going to cross the bridge, and only 2 people can cross at a time. But remember that you are going to be calculating the time as they are going and coming, because once it is 70 minutes, the game is over. So we are going to have 10. How many minutes should I give us to discuss in our breakout rooms? So I've sent the summary to you in the chat. So let's download it so that when we get to our breakout rooms, that's what we are going to discuss. I'll be back in the next 10 to 12 minutes. So we discuss that and we'll see the feedback from everybody, which stage is going to be able to solve in 17 minutes. All right, so let's move. I'm coming. Let me. Oh, I muted all of you. Sorry. All right, so if you start seeing assigning to breakout rooms, so we have room 1 and room 2. Room 1 we take creators, room 2 we take okay, innovators should stay in the breakout room this time around. So if you are doing, no, let creators stay. Creators should stay in the main room. So if you are doing app event or app lab, you are remaining in the main room. But if you are doing Scratch, you are going to room 1, and if you are doing Python or web, you are going to room 3. So you should start seeing yourself being assigned. All right. So Aman, you have been assigned. Adeyemi, you have been assigned. Anjola, you have been assigned. Okay, it's room 3 for innovators. Bennett, you are doing app event, right? Or
Yes,
Scratch?
ma'am.
All right, so you are
Happy
remaining
birthday,
here.
ma'am.
Okay, David Daniel, is he app
Sorry?
event? Nobody should share their whiteboard except you are sharing the picture. David Daniel, you are doing Scratch, right?
Yes.
All right, so let me assign you to Scratch room. So Miss Grace, you can join the Scratch room. Yes, who is the person calling back?
You made a mistake. The lab assistant is 2 minutes and the janitor is 5 minutes.
All right, so what did I write?
You wrote
Yeah. Okay, use what I sent. Use the janitor 2 minutes. the lab assistant 5 minutes. Use that because that's what I sent. I've already started assigning. Join your breakout room. Oh. Creator, if you are a creator, you are staying in the main room. So you guys can start discussion while I try to share you guys.
So guys, what I'm thinking that we should put
I'm not afraid
let's
to.
put the
Hold on.
what?
All right. So wait, who had something to say?
I'm supposed to be in the scratch.
What are you doing now?
I'm coming. So two thoughts, you can join breakout room and yeah, Mr. Uche, you can join room 3. Mr. Uche room 3 and Miss Grace room 1. Okay.
This one.
Excuse me, man.
Yes, ma'am.
Please, how do they join the rooms?
All right, so they'll be, they are going to see a pop-up. Let me assign them again.
But how do I join the room?
So
You are going to see the pop-up on your screen. Let me assign. Miss Grace, what's the name of your device? All right, the person, okay. Who else is still in Scratch? Okay, Jace, what are you doing?
I'm not in
Is it
scratch.
Scratch or Happy Birthday? Is it Scratch you are doing?
No, I'm not doing scratch.
Okay. What course are you doing?
I'm learning how to build a website. I'm doing VS Code.
Okay, web. All right. What of Janelle?
okay, so if you see all of them are the ours is 1 minute, janitor is 2 minutes, lab assistant is 5 minutes, and old professor is 10 minutes. So
Let's do the slowest first.
the you and janitor, so they're quick, but it says only 2
Deborah,
people.
where am I? I didn't see
only
that.
2
I only
people
see
Room 1.
can
Room
It's
1.
not coming up. It's only taking me to my room.
You would have to go around the bridge or to take the old land.
No, guys,
Simple. Just make the scientist
I'm
and
not
you
seeing
go
you.
together. That's 11.
just
Then let the
Yeah,
janitor
hold
and
on. Everybody, hold on.
make him 7. You guys
Everybody,
will
hold
skip
on.
just on time.
Everybody, hold on. So somebody should share their whiteboard so that, let me see. Let me pick the person that will share. I think I saw Sumaya earlier. So Sumaya, share your whiteboard. Okay, Jesse has started sharing. So remember that whatever you are discussing, you are coming to come and tell us. So you guys might need to write it down to pay attention to what you are doing. We want to work. Don't annotate like that on someone's screen. Who is this? All right, so who wants to talk first?
Can I please talk first? Can I please talk first?
All right, let me see. All right, so Janelle, let's hear you.
Okay.
I am an innovator.
Who is the innovator?
Simra.
Say your name. Simra. Wow, I didn't know that you have moved. All right, Sumaya, share your whiteboard. Is Sumaya's whiteboard we're using? Just stop sharing.
Ashraf is an adventurer.
Who is the adventurer?
Ashraf Ibrahim the king.
Wow.
Okay.
All right. Ashraf has moved. Ashraf is not here.
So if we if all of them, so if you are 1 minute, the janitor is 2 minutes, lab assistant is 5 minutes, or professor is 10 minutes, and you have just 17 minutes before the zombie catch up. But
But it didn't say because maybe the people who are like faster, like you and the janitor, they then after they will like carry the lab assistant and the old professor, because it only said only 2 people can cross the bridge.
Sorry. Hold on, Abisola. Hold on. Sorry. So which is going first? Ashraf, join your breakout room. You have been assigned. So everybody stop sharing.
10 and 5.
Ashraf, you have been assigned.
I haven't got the link.
I haven't been
This is
assigned to the breakout room.
Did you
What is it
freeze
that have
me
been
once
assigned as a
again? I
join?
didn't.
All right. So hold on. So AA Salaudi, that's Ayatollah, right? So which goes first? Your hand is up. Which one goes first?
Can I, please?
Okay. All right. Janelle or Janelle. What's the correct pronunciation of your name?
What?
All right. So I cannot hear it. Okay. So Iremide, who goes first?
The two fastest people go first. You
Hold on. We are going to take it one by one so that we can be clear what we're doing. All right. So the two fastest people. That's wow.
two
Who
fastest
goes first? Who are the two? Tell us. Let's write it down.
You
All
and the
right. So
janitor.
is that what everybody is agreeing with?
Yeah.
No.
Don't annotate on my screen.
Sorry, ma.
All right. So we have
I have an idea.
you and janitor. Hold on. You and janitor. All right. So now, who is not in support of you and janitor? Who has a contrary opinion?
Me.
Who
That
is
is
the me? Say
completely
your
wrong.
name.
I'm not in support.
You can't just say somebody is wrong because you have another
I'm not
answer.
I don't mean like they are completely okay, so they are not completely wrong. That
So
could still work.
Who are who goes?
So ma, what
Who
I'm
is annotating on my screen? The person wants to go back to all right. Who goes first?
so ma, the slowest goes first. Because
All right.
when after they go, the fastest can easily run past.
All right. So professor and who goes first? Professor and
No, you and the janitor. I mean the
Guys,
professor
I have
and
an
the
idea.
assistant.
professor and assistant. Okay.
And
So if
then
professor and assistant is going, all right. So we have two. All right. Professor and assistant.
so that
All
then
right. So
after they
now,
go,
okay, hold on. Don't worry. We're going
I
to take
have
one
an
after the
idea.
other. Everybody should just hold on. Hold on. Everybody cannot talk at the same time.
Sounds like everyone else is only. How come they can speak?
All right. So we are going to have two sets. So we are starting with you and the janitor. So we have you and the janitor. That's already how many minutes? How many minutes does whoever is going and the janitor use?
it will take 2 minutes. Because the janitor is slower than the
It
guy.
will take 2 minutes, ma'am.
No,
I said you should use my own, the picture I sent, not from the video because
Can I please share my idea?
who is the person talking? You might need to say your name so that I can
It's Innie.
pick who is talking. All right, so Ini, who goes first? That's all I just need to hear. Who's going first?
No, first the janitor
Ini
and
is the one talking. Who goes first? Ini?
first the janitor and the old professor go first. After the janitor gets
All right, hold on. So we have janitor
and the old professor.
sorry, I'm coming. All right, so remember that they are going and coming. Somebody's going and coming back with the torchlight. So if we have you and the janitor first.
Oh, there's only I didn't think of that.
So if you have you and the janitor. Now, So that's how many minutes? You and the janitor is how many minutes?
It will
10
only
minutes.
take 10 minutes.
Not 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
It's not 10 minutes. Oh, you is 1. Janitor is 2 minutes. So 2 of you are going to use 2 minutes. No, now.
3 minutes
It's
now.
2 minutes.
Since
It's 2
It
minutes.
cannot be
Like
3
janitor
minutes
is
now.
faster than you. I mean, the janitor is slower
Janitor
than
is
you.
using 2 minutes. So
I was thinking. Then you now go. Then you take the lantern back. Then after that, you now take the lab assistant with you. Then you now go back and take the lab professor.
So we have you and janitor. I don't know, my whiteboard has stopped. You and janitor. Then, so you and janitor, that's already how many minutes? That's already 2 minutes. Okay. So after you and janitor, who goes next?
You and the lab assistant.
Yeah.
Who is going to come back after you and janitor?
So then that's 12 minutes.
No,
So you still have time to cut.
Said you and janitor.
assistant
I don't need
go, that's
anybody
5
sharing their
minutes.
screen. Nobody should share their screen.
If you and the lab assistant go, that's 5 minutes. So you would have used up 7.
Hold on. Everybody should hold on.
What is this?
Everybody should just hold on. We are starting with you and janitor. When you and janitor goes 2 minutes. Time is almost up. Oh. You and janitor will go 2 minutes. Who is coming back?
Is this yours?
Professor.
Who is coming back?
You.
Okay, you. So you is going to spend 1 minute. That's already 3 minutes. So when you comes back, who is you going to go back with? Or who is going back again?
You is probably going to go back with the professor.
Old
Okay.
professor, and then you
and
can go back
professor.
again. Then you can go
You
back.
and professor, that's already 10 minutes. Hold on, no. You and professor is already 10 minutes. Then who comes back?
Then you.
You and the assistant, that's 15 minutes.
Wait,
Wait, you do not need to go back and get the professor, because if he's holding the ropes, he doesn't need a light to see where he's going. He can just move along with the ropes.
Oh!
Oh, that's true. That's true.
How will he know where to put his leg?
Yeah, that's smart.
How will he know where to put his leg? It's a bridge, oh. It's not road.
Because the ropes are showing him to go, so you can just put the feet right in front of the rope.
A old professor that is working with stick.
Why?
A old professor that is working with stick.
What is that called in the bridge?
He's holding his rope and he's putting the sticks off. The way he knows to put the stick, he puts his leg.
You did not see the kind of bridge. Sure, you guys did not see the kind of bridge. That is, it's not bridge that has footpath.
The bridge could have holes.
The body you put your stick.
You and janitor has gone 2 minutes. One person has come back 1 minute. You and professor now you have come back 1 minute. So that's already 40 minutes.
Can I explain?
So who does he now go back with?
Then you go back with the assistant. That makes 9 minutes. Too long.
Okay.
He goes back for the assistant, which will be 1 minute plus, which will make it.
No, you don't need to add 1 minute because you are gonna be faster. So basically, you.
And then you also have to take the assistant, which is 5 minutes. So that means you take 20 minutes altogether.
Wait, but that would be too slow.
Yeah, past 17 minutes.
That's what I'm saying.
That yeah, supposed to be 17 minutes.
19 minutes. Yeah,
oh yeah, we are already
Wait.
Minutes.
But the professor, he could still use his stick to like poke in front of him, so that if he sees,
you cannot go without lights.
How about if you?
Who is going to?
If you go with the janitor, if you come back with yourself, with the light, you can
Nobody should annotate on my screen.
You can go again. Get the lab assistant. Go to one map. Since we couldn't go for a minute, if you go, could they take half of the time? Therefore, that would be 30 seconds. And then you carry the old professor. The old professor carries the light and his stick, and then that will take because of his way. It will take over 2 times the time. Therefore, it will take 2 minutes.
Yeah, but listen to this. You didn't think this straight. If you're carrying someone, the person's weight will slow you down.
Yeah, that's why I said 2 times the time.
It takes 10 minutes for the professor to get there. Add the 1 minute with the U. That will make 11 minutes. Add the janitors with the this thing. That makes 17 minutes altogether. Don't try to risk it, though. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to risk it. So basically, we are spending 10 minutes, 11 minutes.
I know this sounds mean, but in all honesty, if I was in that situation, I would just run across the bridge and leave them.
Just see. That is not good.
I'll be like,
Hey.
Yeah, after your discussion.
Wait a minute.
Next.
They're zombies.
Can I say something?
Just kick them.
All right, who wants to talk? Who is asking, can I say something?
Excuse me, Ma.
All right, so everybody mute, let the person talk.
Wait, why can't you just go right in the middle of the bridge? And since the other we're at the end of the bridge.
Who is Bennett, are you the one talking?
Yes.
Wait, guys.
No, I said
I have an idea.
Hold
I
on.
have a really good idea.
Hold on, Jesse, hold on. Someone is talking.
Okay.
I've not spoken. I'm just
There's somebody's mic that is re-echoing. Guys, we have just about 2 minutes left.
I have an idea, please.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on, everybody should hold on. Everybody should hold on.
Can you mute everyone in the
Janelle, you can talk. Janelle, you can talk.
I had a really good idea.
Janelle.
Mom.
Yes, you can talk.
Why can't you just leave? Why can't you just quickly go with the light? You leave them in the middle, so then the others can come as well with the light.
Okay.
Because the light is quite faint. You can still have the edges of the light at the other side of the bridge.
All right. So the thing with that is the bridge can only take 2 people at once.
Hear me out. You could do the. You could go.
Hold on, Jesse. Hold on, Jesse. Hold on.
I have another idea that may work.
All right, Abisola, talk. Let's hear. This is where we are. We have gotten 10, 12, 13, 14. We've gotten 14 minutes. We have 3 minutes left, and we still have the lab assistant at the other end.
Can I say what I want to
All right,
say?
Abisola, you can talk.
Okay, so if the you will go the you will be the one who's taking people back, and if you have like 17 minutes, like 17 minutes.
Hold on, sorry, Abisola. Sorry. We've already done you and the janitor goals. So whoever is talking now, we're going to complete this. Hold on. Everybody should hold on. So we already have you and the janitor goes first, 2 minutes. Then you come back, that's a minute. Then you and the professor goes 10 minutes. Then you come back a minute. So after this, what happens next? Whoever is talking, that's what you're saying. So Abisola, go ahead, continue from there.
You can just leave.
They should leave.
Yeah, that's the only best. So you can do eeny, meeny, miny to the people who's going to stay.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Guys, I have an idea. I have an idea.
Everybody should hold on. Hold on.
Excuse me.
All right, Tara, you can talk.
What?
Are we playing the actual game?
Tara, are you the one talking? Tara Oluwa.
Yes. Yes.
All right, so what happens next after you come back? You guys have not been able to solve this, you know. There's still lab assistant.
I have an idea.
All right, Ini, talk.
All right, so the old professor will be holding the torchlight, and the lab assistant will follow behind the old will go with the old professor. Once the lab assistant gets across, the janitor goes, and then once the janitor gets across, you go, and then
who is going to bring the light back?
Teacher.
I know how to do this. Please, let me speak
Who's going to bring the lights back?
You.
Teacher, can I say
Okay, so I'll first of all go with.
Well, then it's not even worth it because
Teacher, I
you
know.
get there and then you have to go back and then you have to go back there. It's not worth it.
Teacher, I know what to do.
All right, first year.
I'm not spoke.
Guys, please let me talk.
Are you sure?
I have an idea.
Sure, you can talk.
Me?
Yes. I thought you said you want to talk.
As you say, you go with the janitor, okay? And since you're going with the janitor, and you both have to go with the lights, you take 1 minute and he takes 2 minutes. So if you run ahead, because you take 1 minute, then the janitor is gonna be by himself for 1 minute, and he's probably gonna follow something. So both of their time combined, you have to go for 1 minute, while the other guy have to go for 2 minutes. So the total amount of time isn't 3 minutes because you guys have to stay together. So the janitor is slower. You have to stay with them making 2 minutes. After that, you go back, which is another 1 minute. Only 3 minutes so far. Then you get the old professor, which is another 10 minutes. 13 minutes now because you have to keep up with the professor. Then you go back. That's only 15 minutes. Then then you go then you get the assist you get the assistant, and you go back, which is another 5 minutes, giving a total time of 17 minutes, I think.
Nope.
That's 18.
20 minutes.
That's 19.
Ma.
That's 19
Ma.
minutes, ma.
Let's go for one other student that will come and
I would actually
Please
work.
me, please me, please.
I just thought of it.
Excuse me, excuse me, I figured out the master find out. Oh wait, can I please talk?
Can I please speak?
Why won't anyone
Excuse me.
I don't know how to speak like this.
Can I please talk?
Can you enable chat?
Okay, Saad has not said anything. Let's hear Saad.
What about me?
But time is up, so let's hear Saad.
You and the janitor will go. That is 2 minutes.
Okay.
You returns with the torch. That is 1 minute. That is 3
That's
minutes.
3 minutes. Okay.
So you give the torch to the lab assistant and the professor. That is 10 minutes, equaling 13 minutes.
All right.
The lab assistant and the professor will give the torch to the janitor, and the janitor will go back to you. That is 15 minutes.
Okay.
And you and the janitor will cross again. That is 17 minutes.
That's 21 minutes.
No, it's 17. But listen to this. They also said that the zombies will come after a little bit after 17 minutes. So basically, he actually is correct.
Oh, that's actually fair. No, he said a few moments before 17.
All right.
He never said.
Okay, so nobody should share their screen. Nobody should share their screen.
Excuse me, ma. Can I I figured I have a good way to do it. Can
Hold on, breakout room session is over. So
Please, can I say something quickly? Please.
Okay.
Please, can I
Just say something.
Okay, I'm coming, sorry. Who's the host on this call?
Well, you could walk across.
Miss Raya, please disable sharing. Oh, Angela, I don't know what she's clicking. It's just disable. All right. So
you could walk across the bridge.
Nobody should share. Why are you sharing your screen? I don't understand.
Excuse me, ma.
All right. So welcome back. From our different breakout rooms, we were able to get the answer. Just yes or no. Yes or no in the chat. Creators, adventurers, and okay, chat is not.
Wait, I have
Innovators, were we able to solve it? Jace and Adeyemi.
Please,
Were we able to?
idea.
Everybody should just hold on. Breakout room session is over.
Please.
Jace and Adeyemi, were you able to? I need a response. All right, so innovators were able to. All right, then adventurer. What happened there? Were you guys able to solve it?
We barely tried to solve. Everyone was
Wow.
trying to say answers.
Okay, and creators.
Some people thought we should carry the old scientists there and then everyone should cross. And everyone will be taking everyone up there.
All right, so
I was the only one in my group who didn't get to say anything.
Sorry.
I have
Sorry.
an idea, though.
All right, so everybody should hold on. Somebody said that if he was the one, that we just leave all of them there and go with the
You can
lab.
quickly put your idea in the chat.
Everybody should hold on. Okay, so since people have plenty things they want to say, so I'm going to give you like just 2 minutes to type what you want to say in the chat. Just type your answer at once. How do we go and come? Just write you and the janitor 2 minutes, you 1 minute. Just write it out in the chat since everybody has plenty things to say. So write it out in the chat and now you will get your 70 minutes. All right, so while that is going on, no, we're still going to see the answer. You still watch the video to get the correct answer. So our other students that also present Zaman, Ini, Aman, and Pearl. Oh, sorry, those are not the people presenting. Sorry, those are the other set of people
Excuse me,
presenting
ma.
Muzamil. Okay, I don't see anybody's. Everybody should just mute. Any answer you want to say, type it in the chat. I'm going to read it from there. Don't worry. I'm going to read it from there. So, our next set of presentation, we have Muzamil Iremide Osayi and Ayo Tomiwa. Muzamil Iremide Osayi and Ayo Tomiwa. So, let's have, okay, so you can open your slides and let's have your phone. Your phone. Okay. I think Osayi is scratch or I don't know who he is. Who is saying hello? What?
I'm scratch.
Who is saying hello? If you have any answer to that puzzle, type it in the chat. If you have any answer to that puzzle, type it in the chat. I'm going to read it from the chat. Muzamil, are you set to present your project?
Yes, ma.
I'm supposed to
You can go ahead and share your screen.
Excuse me.
Ma.
Alright, so Muzamil, hold on. Muzamil, sorry, hold on. Alright, type your answer at once, so because if you type and then you now take a break, another person would have typed and not be able to trace your answer. So type your answer at once and send it in the chat. Alright, so Muzamil, you are going to have to unmute yourself. Why? Are you on your phone so that you can share? I don't want to hear any ma again. Oh, so we are going to. Okay, hold on.
Welcome to my presentation. What about me? My name is Muzamil Lawal. I am 10 years old and in the intermediate stage of App Inventor, a blog-based coding platform for building Android mobile apps. It uses drag and drop programming blocks to design interface and control app behavior. I have 4 songs on my music player. And they are Your Idol, Soda Pop, Coding, and Think of It. It project supports SDGs through good health and well-being by encouraging positive online interaction and mental wellness. This app helps people express their taste in music. Thank you. So let me just. It's right here. So this is my music player. Ma.
Alright. I'm trying to join on my phone. So other creators, please make sure you have your apps on your phone and you are joined on your phone so that you can present on the phone because that's where we're going to see the app.
Oh, ma. For some reason, I have this feeling that you never said that we couldn't. It was in the past or future. So basically, why couldn't in the future? What if humans created escalators that you could fit in your pocket, and then whenever you wanted, you could just throw them down. So you never said that humans couldn't create that. And if they did, we could have just used the escalator and placed it over the bridge.
All right, we'll come back to that. Noted. All right, so who is the person scanning? The person scanning will have to share their screen.
Yeah, I'm about to stop sharing. Stop.
Who scanned first? The person that scanned will have to share their phone screen.
Ibrahim the King.
All right. So, Ayatollah, are you on your phone?
Oh.
Let's have Osai. Ayatollah, are you on your phone? You're also presenting an app, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on your phone? Is your phone on Zoom?
No.
All right.
I'm using
Osai.
the laptop.
Okay,
All
I'll
right.
present, but I don't have a phone, and also I don't know if I did it on the right slide thing.
Is it an app you are presenting?
No.
All right. Scratch, right?
Yes.
All right. Go ahead. Iremide.
Oh, Ma, I
I
also
also
forgot
have
to
a
say.
slide to show first.
I haven't
All
done my
right.
slide yet.
Osai, share your screen and
Ma, I also
present your
remember
project.
something. Ma,
So, Osai, you need to share your. You need to unmute yourself. Sorry.
So my project is about a never-ending forest, and it's about a cat that is running through a forest that wouldn't stop. And I made the backdrop move by using exposition and if on edge bounce.
Will you like show us how it moves?
Thank you for listening. And I will share the Scratch project. The cat wouldn't stop running.
Okay, I get it. I did not get it. What is this project about? Because you only told us it's only about a cat running.
All right. Hold on.
You understand now, I understand. So it's a cat running from the forest that will never end. So like there's a forest. But
Yeah, the cat is running in
but the-
circles.
so there's a forest that is so big that it will never end. So
yes.
it's all across the world. So so there's like a forest, and someone just said it's just 1999.
Is your
So like
Okay,
there's
that's okay. That's okay. Osai,
like there's
thank you. Thank
so there's
you.
how do
But
I even
are you trying
explain
to
it?
tell us? Hello, hello, hello. Can you please stop talking for now? Osai, thank you and stop sharing. But I'll have loved you bring up the moving backdrop. The moving backdrop of the cats you built. Are you with me?
Glitching.
Yes.
Someone's
Okay.
voice is glitching
So
on
you actually want to explain a cat moving with a moving backdrop continuously, right? So I believe you should work more
all
on
right?
that. Thank you. The next person. Who is the next person? Who is going next? Okay, we have
Mima.
okay, can you go on and share your screen?
You want some coleslaw? Coleslaw.
Excuse me. Are you letting me share, Ma?
Yeah.
Go ahead and share your screen.
Yeah. Okay. Give me a second. Let me just quickly go to
Well, did they call your name? I'm seeing Iremide here.
I
Tomiwa.
was told in my lesson that I'm going to share today.
Okay, but I didn't see your name up here. Never mind. Okay, I'm giving you
Presentated,
just.
but I haven't presented.
Okay, so go ahead. I'm giving you 5 minutes. Go ahead. Start.
Huh? What did you say?
Go ahead. Is it not Bennett? Bennett that is presenting now.
Give me a second, Ma.
Okay, can we have, if she's not ready, can we have Iremide? Iremide, have you? Are you ready? Is Iremide on the call? Okay.
I'm ready. This is my flashcard app.
Okay.
Wait a second, it just kicked me out. This is my
Miss
flashcard.
Bennett, you were told to open your project
The flashcard app is
before presentation.
people who need the flashcards. It helps the environment. It gives you space, no lag whatsoever. I was thinking when I decided this app. It would help my sister for studies in an exam. She's doing GCSE.
I'm going to bed now.
I'm trying to get into the University of Liverpool. She was studying very hard. This is very useful because it helps everyone who uses it, and you don't have to waste paper. Sorry, I couldn't read it.
Okay. Thank you for that.
So,
Thank you. So can you go ahead and share the projects?
Yeah.
I thought the project is open now. Who is the next person? Is it Muzamil Lawa?
Let's have
No,
a
Ma.
video share
No,
project.
Ma. I've already gone. No, Ma. I've already gone.
Okay, the next person is Iremide and Tomiwa. So they should be prepared. Iremide and Tomiwa. Iremide, are you on the call? If no, okay, yes, I can see you. Yes, your screen is coming up. Okay.
The name of my game is Zombie Girl.
It looks so good.
It looks like it's from anime.
Okay, Iremide,
Looks
can you
like
please
it's
continue?
animated.
Okay.
Introduction. Welcome to Jumpy Girl, a cute game where all you have to do is jump. You will learn to be focused and pay attention. If you look away for a second, you lose. How to play. To play, you need to click on the play button. Then the game will start. To avoid obstacles, click on the up button. There's also a down button, but I didn't include it in the picture here. Thank you. Have a nice day. Then my project Jumpy Girl. So if you click on the instruction, this is the game. And this is the game.
All right, can you do the code so we can connect? All right, you stop sharing so I can share my screen. Okay, so you can direct from there. Remedy is here.
Okay, so if you click on the instructions button, click the up button to jump, click the down button to go down, and avoid circle. Start game.
Wow. Make competition. No, wait, it's not a competition.
Sorry. Eh? Wow. Hmm. So when does the game end?
I think something wrong somewhere because there's a next level.
Oh, okay. Oops. Oops. Till how long do I have to play this before it moves to the next level?
I think you've already gotten to the next.
Oh wow. All right. Ah, I like the color at the beginning. All right, so someone says they don't get. All right, so it's a game. You're supposed to be trying to dodge the rock that is moving. There's a rock moving down. You're supposed to dodge it and use the up and down button to control the girl when she wants to jump. So that's the way the project works. Well done, Iremide. Okay. All right. So how long did it take you to create this project? Iremide, are you here? Oh, okay. Why are you muting yourself? All right. So how long did it take you to create this project?
I think 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Wow. That's
Oh,
okay. Well done. Beautiful project. Like the color, the pink and the blue color, and it even fits the girl's color. All right. Well done. So let's have Ayatollah. Muzamil, I don't know who scanned your code. So after Ayatollah, we have um, who else? Tomiwa. Yeah. Then Muzamil, maybe I'll scan your code. So Ayatollah, you can share your screen. Ayatollah, are you on the call? All right, let's have Tomiwa. Okay, she has shared it. I'm coming. Let's just slide. But let me scan first before. All right.
Later, Logade.
You can go
My
ahead and
project presentation. About SDG 14. Project identity platform developed as a mobile application for MIT App Inventor. Visual assets includes custom graphical content such as a localized image asset named Clicky. Interface design. Modern styling utilizes material design themes, providing a consistent look and a feel for menus, dialogue, and buttons. Goal: the user of this project has to try and get all the good food, green food, and avoid all the bad food, red food, at the same time. This also gives the user a lot of information. Thank you.
All right, go to app event or let's scan answer.
That was terrible.
Can you connect? Let's scan it.
Actually, it wasn't. Don't say that it wasn't terrible.
Yeah.
In the very fact, it was actually very.
Alatura, can you connect so I can scan?
I already connected it.
Is your phone on the device? Is your phone on Zoom?
No, my phone
Okay.
isn't on the Zoom.
So who scanned? Anyone that scanned it?
Yeah, okay. I didn't scan it. I don't have anything in my hand.
All right, so while that is loading, how many of us have worked on our word problem for the month? January, February word problem. If you have done, just raise your hands. Okay. So I can see some end. So if you have not done it, the deadline still remains February 16th. So for those of us that complain that the time is not enough, so yeah, this time around you are working for one and a half months. So it was assigned January and it will be due by February 16th. So ensure that all your projects are submitted before February 16th. Do we understand? Do we understand?
Yes,
All
ma'am.
right, so please let's submit all our projects before February 16th. Okay, so Ayatollah is taking time to connect.
Should I
All right.
Which
That's
one
not
did you
okay.
use?
You can
Did you
build it
use
and
the
send the
code?
APK. You can build it and send the APK in the chat. Then we can test
Which
it.
one did you use?
I used the code. Build the app and send it in the chat.
The um the QR code works faster.
I used the code. Build the app and send it in the chat, so we can check it from there. All right. Thank you very much. Let's have Ayotomiwa. You can stop sharing while you do that. When it does, I will scan it. All right. So Ayotomiwa, you can go ahead and share your screen. Also, if you are not on the RCS chat, the RCS community, you can drop your mail in the chat so that you can be added to the workspace and engage in the content that are being posted there. So if you're not there, you can drop your mails and always remember to check the chat so that you don't miss out on any information or content that is being posted. So as I see your mail, it will be added. All right, Ayotomiwa, you can go ahead and present.
Hello, welcome to my project presentation. My name is Tomoa Adeshida. I am 10 years old. My stage is creator stage, and I am an intermediate level. My
Okay, so we can't.
first project is my video app. The name of my app is video app. It is an app that has 5 riddle questions. In my riddle app, you are given 4 options and 1 question. When you get the question right, it adds 1 point to your score. And if you miss the question, it does not add a point to your score. These are the relations of my app, my riddle app to SDG goals. My riddle app is related to SDG goal 4, quality education for all. It relates to the following reasons. It helps develop critical thinking. It encourages creative problem solving. It trains the brain to think beyond surface meanings. So this is my riddle app here.
All right. Can you do the code? Let's scan.
The first question is what goes up?
Hold on. Sorry, hold on. Just do the connect. Let's scan it and test.
Okay.
Okay, sorry. I think I'm already did something. Okay. 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 Okay, so you might need to build also. Only if somebody else is scanning this thing without. All right, so maybe you build and send to the chat for us to test. But well done, Ayatollah. Well done. Okay. Well done, Ayatollah. You guys should build the app and send it to the chat. Once you build it, I'll be able to share it and see it once I see it in the chat. All right, thank you very much. You can stop sharing. I want to share my screen. Okay, so we had some people celebrate their birthdays during the the answer to our puzzle. So I saw some answers in the chat, but I have a feeling that some of them are from ChatGPT because they had DM dashing them. And one even wrote this.
Yes, ma'am.
One person also even wrote it the way the ChatGPT gave the person. The person still put the explanation there of the ChatGPT. But all is fine so that everybody can get what happens. Let me share my screen and we'll play the video to see the answers. Don't worry. Some of us got it. Or some of the answers were ChatGPT. Some of us got it up to half. But let's see. Okay, wait. Innovator said they got it. Let's see. Oh, sorry. I was a mistake on my part. Sorry. The person that is saying escalator, do you see? There's no trick to use. It's not allowed. All right, so I know we have a lot of things to say and a lot of ideas to share. I can already see some hands and some angry emojis and the likes. But this is still like the shortest way, just 3 trips. Some people got 17 minutes in 4 trips. But just know that there's no one way. It just allows you to think, logical thinking. How well can you think? How fast can you think to solve a problem? So whichever way your answers came, if you're able to get 70, for those that are able to get 18, 19, that's wrong. It's actually under 70 minutes. So we see that I know that what I sent is lab assistants was switched to janitor, but whichever way, we still had the 70 minutes. So if you got the 70 minutes by yourself, can you send, okay, chat, let me open the chat for us. Okay, so even though you got to the 70 minutes by yourself, just type EI in the chat. Just type yes. Just type yes in the chat. No, you see. I like Tara. She just said no. That's good. All right. Oh, there was no. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. Sorry.
Muzami, they can't hear the music. You didn't share your sound, or
They did not still hear.
yes,
Sound is shared now.
we can't hear it.
I'm hearing it now. You cannot still hear it like this.
Yes. Okay, we can hear it now.
Taking that internship in a remote mountain lab might not have been the best idea. Pulling that lever with the skull symbol just to see what it did probably wasn't here. At first, it might seem like no matter what you do, you're just a minute or two short of time. But there is a way. The key is to minimize the time wasted by the 2 slowest people by having them cross together. And because you'll need to make a couple of return trips with the lantern, you'll want to have the fastest people available to do so. So, you and the lab assistant quickly run across with the lantern, though you have to slow down a bit to match your pace. After 2 minutes, both of you are across, and you, as the quickest, run back with the lantern. Only 3 minutes have passed. So far, so good. Now comes the hard part. The professor and the janitor take the lantern and cross together. This takes them 10 minutes, since the janitor has to slow down for the old professor, who keeps muttering that he probably shouldn't have given the zombies night vision. By the time they're across, there are only 4 minutes left, and you're still stuck on the wrong side of the bridge. But remember, the lab assistant has been waiting on the other side, and she's the second fastest of the group. So she grabs the lantern from the professor and runs back across to you. Now, with only 2 minutes left, the 2 of you make the final crossing. As you step on the far side of the gorge, you cut the ropes and collapse the bridge behind you, just in the nick of time. Maybe next summer you'll just stick to the library.
All right, so that's the solution. So whichever way you're able to get 17, this is one of the solutions to how it can actually be solved. All right, so we had our birthday celebrant for the month. We have Aman and Ini with Zaman. I don't know if Ini is still on the call. But I can see Aman. Aman, you need to turn on your video for you to be spotlighted. Ini also. Okay, Ini, you have to turn on your video for you to be spotlighted. I don't think Zaman is still on the call. All right, so Zaman is no longer on the call. All right, so we have those two. Let me stop sharing so that as Ini share this. All right, so I'm going to sing the birthday song for the two of them. Ini is in okay, so Ini's video is not intelligent Ini. All right, so let's sing at the count of, let me ask all of you too. So you can unmute if you want to unmute and sing for them.
Happy birthday
to
to
you.
Zaman is
Happy
your Abala's
birthday to
Birthday to
Happy
you.
birthday.
Happy birthday
Happy
to
birthday.
you.
Okay,
Happy
to sing.
birthday. Happy birthday. And now, happy
It's
birthday.
okay, it's okay to
No, it's not.
you. It's okay. All right, so happy birthday, Abba. Happy birthday, Ini. The person that is still singing for you. Happy birthday to you guys. Many more years as you continue. More creativity, more wisdom
Hooray!
as you continue. All right, so
Ma,
we have come to the end of
ma,
meetup. Okay, we still have our RCS engagers for the month.
ma,
Guys,
ma, my, ma, my project.
why you do
Better just skip
Ma,
Why you
Okay.
do it?
Send it in the chat so that I can build it and send it in the chat. I don't know, Companion is not loading you guys' project. All right, so our top engagers in the RCS community, we have Sumaya, we have Abusola, and we have Ayatullah. Also supposed to spotlight these people. Add spotlight. Ayatullah, Sumaya, and Abisola. So they were the three people that engaged the community this month. Okay, I'll need to stop sharing to spotlight. All right, so well done to them. And we had two new people that joined the community, the RCS community. We had Osai and Pearl, but Pearl isn't on the call. Osai is on the call, yeah. Osai is on the call. So well done. This is video that we cannot see his face. All right, well done to you guys. So we have some announcements. Starting next month, we have quite a number of activities happening next month, as Ms. Chika already announced. So we have the Kids Teach Parents Learn and it goes next month. So more details about it will be shared with us. Some of us are going to be teaching, our parents are going to be joining Zoom, and you're going to teach your mom or your dad how to do something that you're learning in class. So let's say you're learning Scratch, you can teach your mom or dad how to use broadcast. If you're learning App Inventor, maybe you teach your mom and dad how to create a simple app, text to speech. If it's innovators, maybe how to write a simple Python code, how to do a part of a website, whatever it is. So some of our parents are going to be joining our classes and you're going to be teaching them. So the way your teacher used to teach you, that's where you can do better than that. Or if you have other ways you want to teach, but you're also going to be teaching your parents that are going to join during the month of February, any of your class days during the month of February. So tell them that they should book ahead so that when they'll be able to join and you'll be able to teach them. All right, then also we have something coming up next month, the peer coding bodies. So this is it's a coding, just like we're going to be pairing some of us together. Some of us have been reached out to. So we're going to be pairing us. We have like 2, 3 students that are going to work together on a project. Then they are going to come and present it to us in the community meetup of February. So you are going to be reached out. I know there's Olamide Johnson, I think Ayatullah. If you are there, you'll be reached out to and your parents will also be contacted. You are going to be working on projects together that you are going to present in the next community meetup. So will pair you with somebody. You have a partner that you're going to work on a project on. So it's not going to be everybody for now. We're going to start with maybe 2-3 sets, and then it continues like that during the year. Then there is another thing, the Daily Code Spark program. So now we're going to be having okay, so it's a program where you get points. Now, you know that we do Ruby's Code School community engagers, but this time around we're going to be having points, and we are going to be getting points and reward. So for there are a lot of things that are not really a lot. So for every time you come early to class, 5 minutes before class, you get a point. You are going to see a question. When you join, you see something on the screen that you're supposed to actually do. So when you do that, you get a point. When you do your assignment and you submit your assignment at the right time, you get a point. When you do your capstone project and you present your project at the right time, you get a point. When you attend class regularly, you get a point. So in this month of February, there are a lot of things that we are doing. So make sure you are very, very active in class this month of February. And this set of people are going to have people that get the highest points. So maybe at the end of February, you have 200 points, but I don't think you can get up to 200 yet in February. But as it continues, you are going to be added to the night of Ruby's Code School. You'll be celebrated in the community meetup, and your point is going to be continued like that. Then at the end of the year, at the final community meetup, we'll now have the full night of the Ruby's Code School. So we'll have the full night. We'll have a chat that's going to have whoever comes up as a top point collector. Yes, the top point collector. All right, so as you come to class next month, let's ensure that we pay attention to all this. For you that will be teaching your parents, make sure you prepare to teach them well. For you that will be engaging in coding bodies, make sure that you work on your projects. And don't let us forget community meetup for February 28th, and our word problem. Make sure you submit your word problem before February 16th so that you can be graded and you get your score. So this brings us to the end of the community meetup for January. All right, so I'm going to be sharing a link in the chat. Then don't worry, I'll now ask all of you to unmute. I'll now unmute all of you. You can now see different things that you want to say. All right, so we're going to get this form in the chat and we're going to be filling it in. If you have filled it before, you don't need to fill it again, except you have something else that you want to say. Maybe you have a new thing that you want to